was so much fun.
Look at the river. It's so beautiful.
I have a brilliant idea.
What is it?
We can have a party right here.
Yes, let's do it.
This cooking plan is brilliant.
Yes, let's do the recipes.
Ready, everyone? Yes, let's go. Our outfits look perfect.
I'm ready.
I'll get the baskets. Hurry back. Got them.
Great job.
Come on, friends, to the market.
Yes, let's go.
I hope we find good things.
Me too.
What a beautiful day for a walk. Yes, and the flowers are blooming so nicely. I know, it's perfect.
Look, the bridge. Wow, it's so big. Let's go. Race you there. Okay, let's go. To the fields. The plants are so green and healthy. Let's pick some for dinner.
Let's sit here in the shade. Good idea, it's cooler here. I need to rest for a minute. Hey, I have an idea. Let's make fries from these potatoes. Yes, that's a great idea. I love it. Ready to work, everyone?
Yes.
Let's go. They're perfect. So fresh and clean. The basket is full. Goodbye. Thank you for everything. Goodbye, girls. Safe journey. We'll miss you. We'll miss you too. What a beautiful day. Yes, and the harvest was great. I can't wait to cross the bridge. Me too. Phew, finally off the bridge. Yeah, but look, the village is getting closer. I can't wait to make fries. We're almost home. I can't wait to show everyone. Our house looks so beautiful. We're home. Let's go to the kitchen. Yes, let's go. The potatoes are heavy. We're almost there. All right, let's wash these potatoes. This one is so fresh. We're making a feast. Almost done. Keep going.
Okay, watch how I do it. Like this? Yes, just like that. This is fun.
All right, let's wash these potatoes.
Let's start the fire. I light it. Here are the sticks.
Here come the slices. Perfect. It's sizzling beautifully. Try these. They're amazing. Wow, what are they? So crispy. Hey.
Goodbye. It was so nice to see you. Yes. I have a secret about our future.